up, guys? I'm hoping that you're having a fantastic day. I've been having a fantastic day. Hopefully you are. And wait. Don't tell me. I just forgot what I was going to say. I don't really know what to do, but why did I put this video on? I don't understand. Can I see my fridge light? I guess we could see my fridge light. Yes. And there you go. Comment down in the conversation below what color is the light. I'm feeling some iPad. I want to have a nice iPad for breakfast. So comment in the conversation below what color was it. I'm gonna put you guys right back on the. Look at this thing. Yeah. So it's like a holder, so you can hold your iPad. So I'm gonna put you you guys right. There you go. What? What the heck? Oh my god! I put it on wrong. And yeah, cover with the video with the thing. But and comment what the fridge light was, and leave a like and subscribe if you want to see all the future videos. I mean, come on, you gotta click that subscribe button. And I'll catch you guys in a brand new video.